Yeah. Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another episode. I'm your host, Joe Meyer.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV. Place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people, but read that ticker. Read that thing that is running across the bottom of the screen. Like this one. Subscribe to This or That Sports TV and leave a comment under the video. Don't just do those three things. Do one more thing first. Talk to them, bro.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure that you get us at least 6 subscribers. Because if we can get 6 more subscribers, if each and every one of us can get 6 additional subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day?
Holy. But people, it's Premier League time again. The league is back, bro, after the cancellation last week. Your Majesty, fell. And all the football in England was postponed or cancelled, as I should say. And so we couldn't make a video.
Now give my opinion then point that.
I don't know. No, it's whatever. No football. So 7 games are played this week.
It's not whatever.
You just say not give opinion.
But you said it's whatever, so you have to respond to that and just say it's not whatever.
Alright. You want to give opinion? Get something off your chest.
So I can leave it at that.
Get something off your chest, but you afraid of people.
Don't cancel my football,
Alright, left it. Anyways, people, 7 games were played this week. I'm going to talk about them. First game of the week, Aston Villa versus Southampton. Aston Villa took that 1-1. Getting some form, bro.
Yeah, but again, Southampton, and to be honest, they really were putting the pressure on Southampton. They could have probably scored more.
They could have scored.
Yeah, we're watching Leon Bailey, he continues to do starts and he continues to pose an issue, to the opponent's right side of their field or left side of the field, whichever one side them people. Anyways, you would have hoped Aston Villa could have put together a more comprehensive performance, probably scoring more goals, but getting 3 points out at the end of the day. So, big ups to Aston Villa, Steven Gerrard holding on for their life.
Yeah, I feel like that City game was an important game for him. Get back some of the fans on board, and winning this one is also a good result, bro.
Yeah.
I feel like the pressure was building under Steven Gerrard, and here you go, getting some good results. So I think the pressure is off for the moment. Onto the international break, do some good work over the American Cup. Kind of like Steven Gerrard, bro. So I don't really want to get sacked. Let's talk about the next game. 2 promoted teams, Nottingham Forest 2, Fulham 3 was an away day for Fulham, and they won the game.
It was a great game.
Really good.
What? Yo, Fulham has been involved in some really good games.
Fulham, they're entertaining.
Man, they're entertaining. And, Mitrovic didn't score. And you think, Fulham playing again, Mitrovic doesn't score. That cannot bode well for Fulham as a team.
Mm-hmm.
But, other pieces of the puzzle came together. Another regular boy, Marguerite, assist.
Yes, sir.
Playing well, scoring some amazing goals. And we saw the fight in Nottingham Forest as well. So, all in all, a good game from 2 promoted teams. So who said promoted teams can give us? Rush, 2 seasons ago, I would not be watching a Norwich versus Birmingham versus Burnley.
Yeah, West Ham also. I mean, Watford.
Yeah.
Just not much. You're not going to get up at 6:30 to watch it. Not at all. But yeah, it was an entertaining game, bro. And Fulham, they're always good to watch. Always good. And Nottingham Forest too, bro, to be fair. Give them their roses. They started the game where they were 1-0 up and then Fulham just came and took over the game. Yeah, next one. Wolves were home to Manchester City. Manchester City just outclassed them and won the game. Actually, a rough first half from Man City. But they came out in the second half and they just dispatched them. Scored 3 goals. A big man on target again. Haaland. Philip Foden did well. They brand are bagging some assists. Yeah. So all around good game from Man City and they're pressing high. I feel like Man City will continue to do this and then feel like Arsenal and Tottenham will just fall off because good starts, we see good starts, but it's so hard to keep it going and this is what a team like Man City can do. They can just put these videos together, 3-0, 4-0, 5-0. They add 1-0 in there or 2-0, but they're going to score multiple goals at any given day.
Tottenham will fall off.
Mm-hmm. No, I'm talking about the title charge, bro. I'm talking about being 1 point off City. That's what I'm talking about.
After next week I will see how I really feel about this Arsenal. You know, next week I will see our chances and how they're looking. You know,
we'll get to Arsenal.
But yeah, Newcastle versus Bournemouth. I would say an upset result. You know, Newcastle would have to take over the hump. But these promoted teams, man, they are putting up a fight. Mm-hmm. They're going on scratching.
Bro, the thing is, Bournemouth had a rough run of fixtures to start the season, bro. And again, Scott Parker was unfairly sacked, I believe. But you know, now they're getting some games that you think they can get a point or 3 points from. And I would love to see him take charge of these games. But he's not there. And Burnley might be turning it around. Who knows? Not Bournemouth, sorry. They might be turning it around. Let's continue to watch them. I'm not quite excited about Bournemouth. I don't think they have the quality to even. I don't think they do. But hey, getting a job Newcastle is not a bad one, especially this new Newcastle, if you know what I mean. So it's not a bad result at all. But the game of the day, and probably the game of the week for some people, is Tottenham versus Leicester City. Oh, Leicester City are woeful, bro. Losing 6-2.
Yo, and initially the way the game started, you're like, okay, Leicester City are here to throw punches, they're here to, leave an impact. I actually had this game in a 2-2 draw. That was my prediction for the game. And at one point I was like, boy, am I not good at this or what? And then all of a sudden it was like bang, 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 bang. I was like, what is going on?
And it was just like that, bang, 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 and it was Son. Bro, Son started on the bench, not having a good start to the season. He's one of their best players. And, Conte made the hard call to say, hey, you're my second best player, let's say. But I'm going to bench him in a game that I really want to win. He started Richarlison, started Kulusevski. And then I feel like Son came on and he was like, what are you doing? Bench who? Watch this. And as I said, bang, bang, bang. No, I'm not happy to see my rivals win, bro. But my God. Tottenham didn't start the game well, to be fair. Leicester got a goal. Yeah. And then they got a second. They won a penalty and they scored. But, Son came on and he just took over the game. I'm not happy to see it. I didn't want him to get this result.
Comprehensive performance by Tottenham. It's what you would. So you'd expect Tottenham a very good team, solid team versus Leicester, bottom of the left.
Yeah, I didn't want Tottenham to get this result right before the North London Derby. Yes, we're having an international break, but the next game coming off a good run of form for Tottenham, 6-2 against Leicester, scoring a lot of goals. Let them play Arsenal.
Well, as I said, there's only one team who has won the first 6 or 7. There's only one in the Premier League. Mm-hmm. And we can go straight to that game.
All right. Brentford at home to Arsenal. Arsenal, bang, bang, bang. 3-0. Talking about Gabriel Jesus. Talking about Fabio Silva. Talking about William Saliba. Having a great season. How do you feel about your Arsenal, bro?
Man. Because Vera. Yeah, you said Fabio Silva.
Fabio Vera.
Yeah, so first of all, what an outstanding performance by him. Coming to replace the injured Martin Odegaard and putting in an absolute shit. Yes, we definitely saw the absence of Odegaard. The team didn't move as well as we normally move. The continuity from the defense to the midfield wasn't there as what we're used to. But did Vera put in a shift? And talk about a goal. He put the ball exactly where he wanted to put the ball. Trust and believe that. And Bukayo Saka is slowly coming into his own. Still he got a goal that was saved. And like Saka almost got off the mark. But besides that, he's still coming into his own, he's still getting a few assists, so on and so forth. And you just love to see. And Saliba, man.
Yeah, Saliba, my defender. I really, really like Saliba as a defender. I'm an Arsenal overall, a comprehensive performance, bro. I watched that game and I can't say I saw a player that put in less than a 7 in that game. All the players were good. Ramsey was good starting the attack and his passes were on point. This week, Xhaka had a really good game. Shout out to Xhaka. I would say a man of the match performance. It was a very, very good performance from Granit Xhaka. Jesus, very good performance, leading the line from the front. And this is what I always
And
want.
then you speak about Tommy Asu, came out against Fabian White.
And did well.
Solid.
No, bro, nothing less than a 7 on the pitch.
Yeah.
Across the board. Did well, kept a clean sheet. Always love when Aaron Ramsey keep a clean sheet. So, yeah, all a good day for Arsenal. And it's going well. It's going well. I'm trying not to get tired of myself. I'm trying to remain calm and humble and temper the expectations. But Arsenal, they're really, really doing well. Can they surprise me this season? I'd love to see it.
It won't be a surprise to you when they do surprise me.
All right. Everton versus.
You ever said it won't be a surprise to me when they do surprise me.
Yeah. Everton versus West Ham. 1-0. I feel that was an upset result. West Ham is not doing well at all.
What's going on with West Ham?
I don't know. Making a good amount of signings, some good names too.
Man.
But just can't quite put it together. David Moyes, he like some pressure stacking up over there.
Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
If he continues like this, he's going to get fired. Without a doubt.
Yeah,
like West Ham cannot continue like this.
No. And on the other end though, Everton, Frankie Lampard, other people had him up as one of the first managers to get sacked. That was always going around. Did some results together. Same thing as Steven Gerrard.
Listen, I don't believe Everton. I never believed that they'd get relegated. I still don't believe that. Nor do I believe West Ham will be relegated.
Not at all.
But why? Can't say the same for Leicester though.
No, not at all. If there's one team that's been in the Premier League for a couple of years that could go down, is one either Southampton or Leicester. But right now, Leicester seem to be in a mess, bro. They're in a mess. And they could be the team that's going down.
Yeah.
Because the two relegated teams in Nottingham Forest and Fulham, they're playing well.
But especially Fulham.
Fulham
ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. No, Fulham is staying up. For sure. Well, people, that's our Premier League video. That's the roundup. We're after an international break, so I don't think next week you guys will get a Premier League video. We will be getting some Reggae Boys content.
For sure.
It's not bad. Replacing the Premier League with the Reggae Boys content. We love our Reggae Boys people. But don't forget though to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this or that Sports TV. Check out all the content that we've been doing. Schoolboy football.
It has been so much.
Yeah. It's been a lot. And we're doing well. We're staying consistent, people. So keep supporting. Don't want them support
by sharing the video. If each one of you guys watching right now can get us 6 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
Poly. People, for now, this was This or That Sports TV.
Yep.
Yeah.